I'm David and welcome in another lecture. Today we will talking about course creation. In course creation, the first thing you will see when you log in our application, you will see this beautiful dashboard. Here you have the statistic of the size, how much student you have, how much visitor, and how much revenue. You know, if you have experience and you want to share it in courses, the course creation is your best choices to sell your courses online. Okay, let's start with talking about the sidebar and the option we have. Let's talk the first about video drive. Here in video drive, you can add the folders and you can add your videos for courses. Let's create a folder. Let's call it tutorial tutorial UI slash UX. Okay, save it. And in this folder, I want to upload the files. For example, this two files, this one, and I want to upload this one. When the video is uploaded, we find the name of the video. Let's rename it video one. Okay, and you can rename it. You can give it any name you want. Two. Okay, and you have also here the size of the video and when this video is created, and you have action. You can rename it, you can delete it, and also you can download it if you want. Okay, I want to create a course now for this tutorial. Okay, let's add a new course. Let's call it tutorial UI UX description, random description. You can add anything you want. Description. Okay, let's save it. Okay, now let's add a new section. First section, you have the section in courses. Okay, we add first section. Let's add a lesson in the section. Okay, lesson one, and let's take this video one. Let's add it. Okay, let's add another lesson. Lesson two, and let's work with this video. Okay, this is our courses. We can add another section. Let's call it second section, and like we do, you can add another lessons and like this, and you can delete also. And here we have the statistic of this tutorial. Now I don't have any sales, any student for this tutorial. We have here. Let's get the pages. Here we have the sale pages, and we have the order page, thank you page, about us page, and term and condition. Every page, every single page of this pages, you can edit them. You can copy link and you can preview. Okay, this is the sales pages. We have here the logo. You can change it. You have my course. You have about, and you can here do the price and how much hours and tags also, and the course description, and what the course content. For me, we have the first section, we have the lesson one and lesson two, and you have here the order of the section of this tutorial or this course. Here you can share it with the people, and let's go here. This is our course. We have the first section, we have the lesson one, the lesson two. You can see this course. You can back and you can log out from your account. Okay, we have the order page. in this page we have the order page. Here we can add our information. Your client can add this information and check out and pay for this course. We have also this about us page and term and condition and thank you page. You can edit them, preview them, anything you can do with these pages. Also, we have the orders. If someone buy your course, you will see this information here and the price also. You have the student. If you have a student, you can add a new student. You can give it name. For me, let's give it to Jack. Okay, Jack. Go. And you can add a password. Okay, and also you have and this user can log with this email and this password to see the course. And we have also the branding. Here we can change the logo and the icon of the course. And we have also the domain. Here you can set up your own domain, the domain here in pages. And also here we have the analytic and the payment. We have here the method of PayPal. Okay, after that, let's go to analytic. Here you can see the analytic of videos, how much people see, and the total applies is 1, and average engagement and total visits, and from where in the world you can see. Also, we have the integration. We have two methods of payment, PayPal and Stripe. And also we have this email services like get response, patient mark. And here we can see ourselves. And we have this two beautiful option, the reseller and white label. You can, if you have these two options, you can sell this project, course creation again. You can customize it with white label. You can change the brand name. You can rename it. If you don't like this course creation, you can rename it. And also this logo, you can change it. And we have the email stitching. You can use your own SMTP, which means your email service. And also you can change this domain if you don't like it. And you can choose your own domain. And when you customize your project, you can sell it to other people. You can add users and give them the role you want. Thank you for seeing this lecture and see you in another lecture.